In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new connected app and retrieve consumer key and secret. 5 minutes. We're going to create a connected app in Salesforce and securely capture the consumer key and consumer secret you'll use for integrations. You'll need Salesforce setup permissions, and it helps to confirm you're in the correct org or sandbox before you begin. Start by signing in to Salesforce. Once you're in, open the gear icon to access settings, then choose the option to open the advanced setup area. That takes you to the setup home, which is where we'll work for the rest of this process. Use the quick find search box on the left and type App Manager. Open App Manager, which lists all existing Lightning and connected apps in your org. From here, click New Lightning App. This kicks off the app configuration flow where we'll set the core details and enable OAuth. Enter the basic information, including a clear app name and a valid contact email for administrative notifications. Pick a name that makes its purpose obvious to other admins and future you. You can add branding later. It's not essential for OAuth. Now enable OAuth by checking Enable OAuth settings. Provide a callback URL, also known as a redirect URL. This must be a valid, reachable URL your integration will use after the user authorizes access. If you're unsure, use the redirect URL supplied by your integration tool or a dedicated route in your application. Make sure the URL you enter matches exactly what your app expects, including the protocol and path. Next, choose the OAuth scopes your integration actually needs. Follow the principle of least privilege. Common choices include API access and, if your app needs to act without the user present, the refresh token scope. Avoid granting broad scopes unless they're required. Click Save. Salesforce will create the app and return you to App Manager. Find your new app in the list, open the drop-down on the right, and select View to open its details page. Scroll down to the API section where the OAuth settings live and click Manage Consumer Details. Salesforce may prompt you to verify your identity for security. Complete that verification to proceed. You'll now see your consumer key, also called the client ID, and your consumer secret. Copy both and store them in a secure secrets manager or your CI/CD vault, never in plain text or source control. Treat the secret like a password and rotate it periodically. If you suspect exposure, regenerate credentials, or update the connected app policies. That's it. You've created a connected app, enabled OAuth, and safely retrieved the consumer key and secret for your integration.